Hey TechySavvy folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into macOS's hidden gem, the Activity Monitor, which is essentially your Mac's task manager. Whether you're new to Mac or a seasoned user, understanding this tool can significantly enhance your productivity and troubleshooting skills. First things first, let's find the Activity Monitor. You can open it by heading to your Applications folder, then Utilities, and there it is. Or, just use Spotlight search and type Activity Monitor. Once it's open, you'll see 5 tabs: CPU, Memory, Energy, Disk, and Network. Each of these tabs provides crucial information about your Mac's performance. Let's start with the CPU tab. This shows how much processing power each app or process is using. If your Mac is running slow, this is the place to check which apps are hogging your CPU. See an app that's causing trouble, simply click on it, then hit the X button at the top to quit the process. Next up, the Memory tab. This one shows how much RAM each app is using. If you're running out of memory, you might see swap used going up, which means your Mac is using disk space as extra RAM. Not ideal. In that case, consider closing some memory-intensive apps or restarting your Mac. The Energy tab is particularly useful for laptop users. It shows which apps are using the most power. Great for extending your battery life. If an app is draining your battery, you might want to quit it or find a more energy-efficient alternative. Check out our Maximizing macOS Battery Life video for quick tips to extend your Mac's battery life. Link in the description. Keep watching. The Disk tab shows how much data each app is reading from and writing to your disk. Useful for finding out if an app is being overly active on your drive. If your Mac's performance is slow, this tab can help you identify if disk usage is the culprit. Lastly, the Network tab shows how much data each app is sending and receiving over your network. Handy for spotting apps that might be hogging your internet bandwidth. And there you have it, folks. A quick tour of macOS's Activity Monitor. By keeping an eye on these tabs, you can keep your Mac running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, TechySavvy community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.